Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is Huey, and we're back with another video. Today, we have another strategy for you guys that you can utilize absolutely right off the bat. It is a strategy that I use to build up my balance. It is very good when you're just starting off. But before we get into that strategy, I want to remind you guys to join Neo's private trading group before we have a trading session today at 4 p.m. London time. So make sure to hurry up, send Neos a message, ask him if there is a spot in this trading group because the spots are limited. You can participate in giveaways, win $100. Very simple. As you can see, we have one every day from Monday to Sunday, so it is absolutely free for you to just participate. All you need to do is watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like, and that's it. And also we have trading sessions. As I said, bread and butter of this group. Trading sessions are happening every day from Monday to Friday, and you can participate in them. All the signals are given out by Neos, so you know those signals are the real deal. But if you don't get a spot in that group, make sure to join the free signals group. It is available for everyone. There's no limits on the spots. As you can see, we have 3.6k people in here, and you'll be able to participate in giveaways as well right here. And also you will get free signals every day when there's a trading session going on in private trading group. Out of the trading session, you will get 2 to 3, maybe sometimes 4 signals, so you will be able to make money as well while you're waiting for the spot in the private trading group. And of course, we have a lot of information here available for the beginner traders, and I cannot go further without mentioning the robot. As you can see, it is absolutely slaying today. If you look at all those green profitable signals that the robot has received today, they severely outnumber the red ones. Wins, all there it is. Only 2 losses in 3 hours. So join. All the links are in the description below. Send Neos a message and you will be good. But now let's get into the strategy. For this strategy, you're going to need 3 moving averages. That is it. We're gonna change the period of 1 to 50, change the moving average to EMA styles. We're gonna keep it at green and change the thickness to 2. There it is. Then we go to the second one. We change the period to 100, change the type to EMA style. We're gonna go with orange and thickness of 2. Click save. And the third one is going to be 150 EMA. We change the type here, go to styles, change the color to red, thickness 2, save, and we are ready. That is pretty much it. I am not a big fan of this new UI. It bugs out so much. The moving averages are not displayed correctly on Pocket Option right now, and I hope they sort it out really quickly. But now let's find an actual signal, an actual situation where I can explain this strategy. Let's go. And here we have the first situation. As you can see, the colors we have for our EMAs indicate their periods. So 50 EMA is green one, 100 EMA is orange one, and 150 EMA is the red one. It is very crucial that these lines are in the exact same directions that I'm telling you. When you're taking long position, you need 50 EMA to be above 100 EMA, and 100 EMA needs to be above 150 EMA. And same goes for short position, but the opposite. You need 50 EMA to be below 100 EMA and 100 EMA be below 150 EMA. So with this strategy, you're going to wait for the price to push back into the 50 EMA or 100 EMA, and then closes above the 50 EMA. You're going to take a 1 minute long position. As you can see, here we have a pullback of the price into the 50 EMA range, and then the next candle is green and it breaks out of the 50 EMA. And as soon as this candle closes outside of 50 EMA, we take a 1 minute long position, and as you can see, it would result in a win. And here we actually, in 2 bars, we have another situation where the price pulls back into the 100 EMA, as you can see, and then now it is pushing back into the 50 EMA, and hopefully if this candle closes above the 50 EMA, then we're taking another 1 minute long position. Make sure if the price breaks out of the 150 EMA and actually closes below 150 EMA, you are not taking the trade on the next candle, no matter how it plays out. No matter how it closes, you close the chart and you look for another entry point. In 5 to 10 minutes you can come back and try to enter again on the chart if the requirements are met, of course. And this is a pretty simple entry. We're gonna wait for another 20 seconds and then we're taking a long position. And here we have actually another situation. If the price closes below the 50 EMA right here, we're gonna take a short position. So we might do a double entry right here. As you can see, the price has pulled back above 50 EMA and now it's going to close below 50 EMA. So we're taking a 1 minute short position and immediately switch to this chart. And I shouldn't have entered. I rushed. As you can see, the price was rejected actually, and the previous candle did not close above the 50 EMA. So this might result in a win. This was really bad entry by me. I should have spent another second looking at the chart, but I was rushed and I took a trade here. So this might result in a loss here. As you can see, not only did the price get rejected, it also went down all the way below 150 EMA. So we should have ignored this call completely and closed this chart. I still have a lot to learn. I'm still making mistakes. However, I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to analyze what I did wrong, and I clearly understand what I did wrong here. However, so far it seems to play out pretty good on both charts. As you can see at the top, it shows us that both of them are profitable so far. So we're gonna see and okay, there it is. We take the dub on both of them. This one was a perfect entry. However, on the last one, that was not a good entry, and I absolutely should have not entered that trade. As you can see here, the price has pushed. And that's what I'm saying about the pocket option moving averages having some issues after the update. They're not displayed correctly sometimes, and you have to zoom out and zoom in to see the actual picture, which is really annoying. If we looked at this chart 15 seconds ago, we could see that the price has broken the 150 EMA range. However, when we zoomed out and zoomed in again, we can see that the price was nowhere near 150 EMA, and that is really annoying, and it has to be fixed ASAP because it actually is going to ruin people's trading and it's going to confuse people. So I hope that Pocket Option actually hears me and fixes the bug immediately. But now let's continue trading. Let's continue looking for more entries and see what we can get. Let's go. And here we have another situation. As you can see, we have 15 seconds left and the price might close above the 50 EMA in here as well. So this is going to be another double entry of $200. So we are just waiting, and I'm gonna pay attention to not mess it up like last time. So we enter here and we enter here as well. A little bit late, but I couldn't have done it. Unfortunately, there is no way for me to film both of my monitors, so I have to actually do everything on one. So it takes extra seconds to do that. And now we have 40 seconds left until the option runs out. As I say, if you're taking long position, you need the 3 EMAs to move in one direction, and that is up. You need to see a clear trend. Between 30 to 60 degrees movement upwards is a good indication of your long entry if the pullback happens. And you have to have the 50 EMA be above 100 EMA and 100 EMA be above 150 EMA. You should not have any overlaps, etc., etc. It has to be parallel to each other. Again, you can see it bugged out, the EMA bugged out. So we take one win and another one results in a loss. Not a big deal. Actually, off this trade, we lose $30, I think, because we won 170 off that option and lost 200 on the other one. So we're gonna increase the price to 300, the amount to 300, and try to enter the next trade to offset the loss with this one. As I keep saying, no strategy guarantees you 100%, but you can definitely, if the strategy is 80%, you are already gonna be profiting, and this strategy is really, really good. And guys, I think you should really try. As you can see, if I zoom out, EMAs change, which is super annoying, and I absolutely hate this new update. Even with the trading pairs, it's very inconvenient, and I'm probably gonna write a ticket to support and ask him to revert this change because it's not good. But now let's skip ahead to our next trade and see what we can get. Let's go. And here we have a textbook situation. If you look at this closely, you can see that the price pulled back below the 50 EMA, almost went all the way down to 100 EMA, and then it works its way up again and it goes all the way to the 50 EMA again, and hopefully this candle closes above, and I'm going to take probably double trade of $300. I am now able to do so. When I break $2,000 on my account, I will increase my trading amount to 400 and keep it at that until I reach the next milestone that I have set for myself, and you should do so too. And here we have 4 seconds left, and it seems like it's going to close barely above the 50 EMA, but that's enough for us, and we take double trade, 1 minute long position. This is a textbook entry. This is what you're gonna be looking when trading with this strategy: a clear pull back into 50 or 100 EMA, and then the price has to move back outside of 50 EMA, close there, and then you enter 1 minute immediately on the next candle. So make sure to enable your timer so you see when the candle closes first, and then also change the time of each candle to be exactly 1 minute so it is super clear to you, so you can see it very easily. As you can see, we have 15 seconds left and it's looking great for us. There might be still a change. However, I do not think that in 9 seconds the price will go down substantially. So it is safe to say that we are securing a double win and actually making $534, which is really good for us. It is a great start, and this session we made $900. Today later I am going to be trading in Neo's private trading group, and I advise you guys to join that trading session as well. So if you're looking for more strategies like this, make sure to join our free signals group. There's a lot of information here, candlestick patterns, everything you need to know, entry points, different strategies, how to find those entry points, which indicators to use, which indicators work best together. All of that available absolutely for free. That's a lot of knowledge that you need to know in order to become a successful trader. And of course, get our robot. It is insane, it is crazy, it is amazing, and you can make money with it while you're learning. So make sure to join all these groups, subscribe to our channel, follow the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a productive trading week, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.